Very quick one. Just arrived at the hotel. Tibet. Something with Tibet. Tibetan. Chengdu is the most modern city I've ever seen. Wow, I'm just wowed. Let's see. Gonna just take a very quick peek. Gonna check into the hotel. Here we are. And off we go. That looks fantastic. First impression, really, really, really good. So our guide is checking us in. So we're gonna get the key and then head to the room. Once we're in the room, we're gonna drop our stuff. I'm gonna head out. Cannot wait to see more here.
Yes.
I mean, all the lights, it's so modern, it's so bright. And we know that we have a street market here right around the corner. Street market means food, lots of good food, lots of tasting. That's us. So we're gonna go hit the road whenever we're ready here. Fantastic. I mean, look at this place. And it's just beautiful. It's all in Tibetan style. Was a little model of Lhasa, I guess. Fantastic. And yeah, of course, Panda Tourism Theme Hotel. Oh, you're ready? Ready? Checked in. Let's go. Holy moly, did you this we have to look later. It's like models of things. Mama, up. Here it is, here it is. Yeah, right there. I think we need a card, right?
Number 8. Do you need small fingers?
Yes, I need the small fingers,
Then
please.
you have to hold my pen.
Oh my god, how many pandas did you take?
Don't eat mine.
Okay. Let me see that. What on earth? You guys are munching pandas?
Don't eat more.
What's wrong with you? Don't eat the pandas. Cards are cool.
You, that mean.
812, 812 to the right. Ah, it's right there somewhere or not. Or is that 811? 11 here. Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Sophia, you do us the honor, please. And then we put this in the card slot so I can make a quick video of the room. Okay. Let me have a look.
Rooms with a door.
Huh? Oh, okay. I guess we have Sophia's room right here. With the biggest TV ever.
That's my room.
Wow. I mean, like really wow. Okay, and this is the master, I guess. Okay, I'm sold. I am so... What is happening? Something is happening. Aha, we're in the room. I think it's welcoming us. I mean, wow. What a nice room. You kidding me? Very, very nice. Big TV here as well. Okay, that is absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, I was about to say, where is the bathroom? Ah, where's the bathroom? Huh? Is that the bathroom? Okay, open please. Ah, I thought it was a mirror for a moment. Really, I thought it was a mirror. Oh, we have a tiger in the bathroom. Oh, nice. This is the first bathtub we have here. Do we have a view from here as well? From the bathroom? Yeah, kind of. Just can open this later. Ah, it's electric. Well, of course it's electric. Welcome to the future. Tibetan style. Wow. There's lots of curtain on, curtain off. Alright, then we have the shower here. SOS, hang on. Wow! Yeah, of course. Toilet is also here. Oh, nice room. Absolutely. Wow, some more light. Ah, we can even shower slippers here. A rainforest shower. Products, everything you need. I'm curious now what is in this box. I need to know. I need to know. Ah, amenities. Laundry. Ah, detergent if you want to go wash. Washing, by the way, if you need washing machines, in every hotel we went so far, you would have washing machines for free usage. This is just amazing, huh? Really nice. Really nice. Okay, that is definitely something we can work with. Beautiful. The light switches, you know. Bright, warm. Fantastic. Yeah, look at those two. They found the window.
The view, you know?
Yeah, it is amazing, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, I don't see much through the window,
No,
unfortunately.
it's just see us.
Yeah. It's also a nice view. Okay. We can stay here for 3 nights. No problemo.
I think it's very luxurious.
Luxus, yes. Definitely luxury. Really like it. Oh, there's a treasure chest. What is in there? Treasure.
Treasure? Go, go.
Treasure. What is that?
I guess it's for the shoes, I don't know.
Is it a shrimp box?
Alright.
I got my...
Hotel. Check.
Look. I
It
got my...
just keeps getting better and better. This is unbelievable. I mean, where is this going from here? No, I'm kidding. It's really, really nice hotel.
Look.
Love it. But
We
We have-
programs here.
oh, we're not gonna have time for watching TV here anyway.
Green.
So so we're gonna hit the road. Need to see stuff. So we are still in the hotel now. I'm just saying. A reflection of this. Some little exhibition here in the hotel. Tibetan culture. This is so nice. Wow. You never know what you're gonna find here. So, anyway, we're on our way to some kind of mall. And Firdaus said this way, right?
No, we said we're going to the market, right?
Ah, I thought it was through here. Ah, this is the mall, okay.
This is just the mall.
Oh, I'm so curious, oh my god. Okay, we turn around, we go the other way. So she's the one who has the sticker on the backpack, don't follow me, I'm lost too. We follow anyway. Let's go. Ah, okay. Shopping arcade. It's a business center, I guess. So, going to the Yak Cafe. Breakfast. See what we find here. The hotel is really, really nice. See what we find here. Morning. That is correct. Cool. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Yaks. Wow. Just getting over here because there's nobody sitting yet. Just to have a quick look around. Wow. This is so nice. Look at that. It's really kept in Tibet style. The whole thing is just really, really amazing. There's very little people here. Either we are late or we are early. Who knows? Not complaining. We have those nice boots everywhere. Oh my gosh, over there. Normal coffee. Oh, coffee machine. Yes, bingo. Perfect. Ah, somewhere. Where's the food? Our food is in there, no?
现在开始派售西藏特产藏鸡蛋。
I think the tea is ready. Maybe. So look at this nice buffet here, guys. Alright, it's the Chinese section. Here we would have the dumplings. Not going to open every thing here, but wow. Choices. Have a look. Oh. We have here eggs. Poached eggs actually. Some of the stuff we had yesterday. Salad. Cakes. Now we have the bread and pastry section. Some fruits, etc., cold cuts. They really have everything. Cool. Breakfast. No, Tibet Hotel. Today we decided we're gonna have fruits. So we wanted fruits, light breakfast. So guess what we couldn't find? Fruits. So they had some, I think 1 or 2 different type of, I don't know what it was, small.
Syrup fruit or something.
Oh, did you find that? I didn't even see that. Okay. Alright. But not the nicely fresh fruits cut that the other hotels had. Unfortunately, we didn't find them. So I guess it's gonna be a different light breakfast. I found some yogurt though. There it is. This is what's gonna be. And some pastry for me and the juice and the coffee.
Excuse me, would you like egg?
Oh, egg tart?
How much would you like?
Okay.
For me. One for me.
And one for me, please. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna dig in. I have to say the buffet for Chinese food was immense. That was massive. It was really, really a lot. But I wanted to have fruits. Today, all those days we have fruits, we don't eat them. Today we wanted fruits. It's Murphy's Law. Another cool feature, we don't press any buttons here. Just put the card on and aid comes automatically. This is so cool. And off we go. He knows from the card of your room which floor you're staying. Actually makes sense. And we're here. Woohoo! We're jumping. And a cold one. And a bottle of wine. Party.